Hi guys, welcome to Scott Family Homestead. Today I'm going to do a really quick video just going through our Azure Standard order for this month. I didn't get a ton of things, but I'm just going to do a little bit of a highlight on this. If you don't know what Azure Standard is, it is a grocery company in which you can place an order on the internet. They will package up your orders and they have drop locations throughout the country. They will tell you where that location is when you sign up for one in your area, and then they will tell you the date in which your products will be delivered. Everybody who has an order in that area goes and unloads the truck, and you take your own groceries home from that drop site. It's a really simple process. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me and let me know. I will put my affiliate link in the description if you are looking to sign up for an account and get more information. From there, you can join a drop site near you, and you will get information from your drop coordinator. Usually that includes email and a Facebook group, and depending on the drop coordinator, more information and instruction from there. So our drop is in Wausau, Wisconsin. We also utilize a drop in Phillips, Wisconsin. They typically only have enough orders to do that drop every 2 months. So that's their goal right now, is every other month. I'm going to show you the items that I ordered today. I do have some other Azure Standard videos with items that we've ordered in the past, and I will link those as well. I should probably make a playlist of that because I do have a couple videos now for Azure. One of the first things here, we love these chips. These are the late July organic tortilla chips. I ordered these in a 3-pack. And they come out to be almost $1 cheaper per bag than our local grocery store has them for. And so that comes out a little bit ahead on that one. I also have in here my coffee. I mentioned it a lot in a previous video that we were switching to Azure Coffee, and we love it. We love it. It is only a little bit more when we buy it in bulk like this. This lasts us a month. We buy it in bulk like this, and it's a little bit more than the Caribou coffee we were drinking before, but this one's an organic option, a much better quality, and we love the flavor of it. It is a little bit stronger than what we were using before, so we can actually get by using a little bit less grounds for each pot too. So I think it comes out just being a marginal difference price-wise. I got 25 pounds of flour. With holiday baking, we've been going through flour like crazy, and I always try to keep an extra one, so this one will go into my freezer. I probably have one in the freezer at the moment. That will come out and refill my 5-gallon tub, because right now that one is nearly empty. I ordered some frozen strawberries this time. I think this is a 5-pound pack. 5 pounds of frozen strawberries. We're gonna give that a try. They had a sale this month, or I think it was a 3-day sale. It's like a flash sale, specifically on frozen fruit, and so the price was worth it to me to pick this up. You guys know, if you've been following me, I love their butter. We buy their butter there in the winter when we're not getting a lot of cream from our cow. We actually recently lost our milk cow, so we won't have any cream, and we are going to be utilizing this brand for all of our butter. We love it. It is expensive. It is a grass-fed organic butter though, so quality-wise, completely different than what you're getting at the grocery store. I usually buy that every other month, but with all of the baking that we did for the holidays, I needed some extra butter. Now they repackage a lot of your smaller items into one box, or maybe you might get more than one. This one says raspberries on it, but it's actually just a repackaged box. In here, I got dried lemons. I have to say, I did the simmer pots with the dried oranges, and I had got some cinnamon sticks from Azure as well, and they were a huge hit. I sold through them really quickly, and we decided we want to try some different seasonal ones. So we're gonna do like a spring simmer pot and a summer one, using herbs from the garden and some other things, but I wanted to get the lemons for this summer, maybe for the spring one. And I've done lemon slices in my freeze dryer before, but I had a really hard time getting them dry enough where they weren't tacky. So for me, it's worth it to buy them rather than try to do them by myself, just because I wasn't super successful with that. I got a new pack of baking soda. That's a 1 pound pack. We switched a while ago to these noodles. These are the semolina spaghetti noodles, and I buy them in a 10-pound bag. And surprisingly, it doesn't last that long. I'd say a couple months, but we generally eat spaghetti once a week, and so we go through a lot of this. Switching to organic was a good choice for us. My husband cannot handle normal, conventional wheat products, but he does just fine with organic. And so we have stopped buying a lot of noodles unless we can get them organic. And through Azure, we can get a deal on them to where it's actually feasible for us. I got chocolate chips. I've tried to order these in the past and they've been sold out, so I'm so excited that these shipped. These are just semi-sweet organic chocolate chips. They, I'll be honest, cost a pretty penny. We're gonna see quality-wise what we think of that. But I've heard very good reviews for these, so we're giving those a try this time. And then my last item, I got a great big thing. There's a whole gallon of coconut oil. And the reason I bought this is because I'm planning on making some hand bars using some herb-infused oils and coconut oil, making some soap bars. And I'm really excited to try that. We don't use a ton of coconut oil. I typically use avocado oil for cooking and some lard and tallow depending on what we are using. But I have a lot of products that I want to bring to the farm stand this year, and coconut oil is going to help with that. So I'm excited that I can get this in bulk for a decent price, also organic. My buddy Ezra really wanted to be a part of this video today, so I'm glad he was able to join us. But if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'd be happy to answer them. I'll put all of my information down below for Azure and some more resources for you. Thank you for hanging out with us. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you get notifications when we've got new videos. We have a lot of really cool things coming up soon, and I hope you follow along. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.
Hi.
You're so cute.